Hello everyone, welcome to episode Tech. Today we are going to create an automatic night lamp with the help of an Arduino board and LDR sensor. So no more waiting, let's start the journey. This project I am using Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board. LDR sensor we have three pins. The first one is for VCC, the next one for ground, the third one is the control pin. Now, in this LDR sensor, we have two power LEDs. The first one for VCC and the second one for control. So, whenever there is a light in the room, the second LED will be on. In this project, we need one 5-volt relay module. Here we have three pins. The first one is for control, the second one VCC, and the third one is for ground. Now, let's go through the circuit diagram. Here, the LDR sensor has three pins. I have connected the signal pin with the A0 of Arduino Uno. Next, the VCC pin connected with the 3-volt pin of Arduino, and the ground is connected with the ground. Next, we are going to explore the 5-volt relay module. In this relay module, we have three pins. One for ground, and here it's connected with the ground of Arduino Uno. Next, the VCC. Here I have connected the VCC pin of the relay module with the 5-volt pin of Arduino Uno. Next, the control pin, and it's connected with the pin number 9 of Arduino Uno. In the relay module, we have two options. First, normally closed, and second one, normally open. Now you need to connect the LED bulb with the 5-volt relay module and with the AC plug as per the circuit diagram. Now let's go through the sample code we are going to upload into the Arduino Uno R4. First, we need to define the pins those we are going to use for this project. Here I have used A0 for LDR sensor. Next, pin number 9 for controlling the relay. Next, define the pins as for the input or output functions. Now, what is the logic of this code? First, we are going to read the LDR sensor via analog read function. If the LDR sensor value exceeds 700, it's going to activate the relay pin. The coding part is complete. We can upload the code into the Arduino Uno R4. If you have any problem related to the Arduino IDE setup, you can go through my previous video tutorials on how to set up Arduino IDE. Here the code is already uploaded in my Arduino Uno R4. That's why I am not going to upload it again. Now I am going to turn off the light to test if the system is working or not. It's working perfectly. Now it's time to switch on the light. And here the LED is off. So the setup is working perfectly. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel.